Hello everybody. In this sort of very quick exercise, we would like to prove that for any x in R and for any n in natural number, which start from 1, 2, and so on, how we can prove that the integer part of nx over n is equal to the integer part of x. So, for x in R, any given one, and for any n natural number, we have the integer part of x is less than or equal to x. If we times by n, here we times by n, and the integer part of n integer part of x, this is equal actually to n integer part of x, since it is a natural number in this case, or a relative number. So we have n integer part of x, but this one is less than or equal to the integer part of n x. This means actually that the integer part of x is less than or equal to n integer part of x is less than or equal to the integer part of n x. So if we take n from here, we can put it here. Then the integer part of this element is equal to itself, since it is an integer part. So we will get the integer part of x is equal to the integer part of x, and this one is less than or equal to the integer part of nx over n. So this is the first large inequality. For the second one, what we can do for the second one, we have the integer part of nx is less than or equal to nx. This is by definition. Then the integer part of nx over n is less than or equal to x. And so, in blue color, and so the integer part of nx over n is less than or equal to the integer part of x. So taking into account this large inequality and this one, so if we fit them together, if we sum them together, we will get the integer part of x is equal to the integer parts of nx over n. This ends the short exercise. Thank you very much. See you next time.